Good morning, children. Let us start chapter 12, areas related to circles. Let us see, first let us see and revise it. What is circle? See, you have been studying the definition of circle and about circle right from class 3rd standard. What is circle? So if you define a circle like this, means circle is see, this is the collection of all those points. See, if let us take a fixed point, it is a collection of all those points clear which are equidistant from a fixed point, that is see, this fixed point is called the center of the circle. Clear? So let us revise it. Circle. What is circle? A circle is a collection of all those points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. From a fixed point, children. From a fixed point. Okay, the fixed point is called the center of the circle. Okay, children. See, and what means now about radius and all clear, you must be knowing already. So this is a circle, clear, children. Now what else is there? That is this is circumference, clear. You means now all these things about means each and every particulars that we have studied in the previous chapter, that is circles. Now some remarks are there. What is pi now? What is pi? Pi is nothing but this is the ratio of circumference and diameter. Circumference and diameter of the circle. What is pi, children? See, pi, see, if somebody asks you what is pi, then you simply say pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter. Okay, children, means from here circumference, you can see from here, that is circumference equal to circumference of a circle equal to pi into, what is this, pi into diameter, that is pi into diameter equal to 2r, since d equal to 2r. Okay, children, this implies that 2 pi r we can write. What is this? This is called circumference. Okay, children, so circumference equal to 2 pi r. What is the circumference mean? Circumference of the circle. This is sometimes known as the perimeter also. Now, children, see, some remarks are there. See, the great Indian mathematician, that is Aryabhatta, the great Indian mathematician, Aryabhatta, gave what did he give? That is approximate value of pi, gave approximate value of pi he gave. That is, he said that pi, what he said that pi equal to, see, using some formula, that is 62832 upon 20,000. Here he gave something like this, that is 62,832 upon 20,000 equal to 3.1416. Okay, this approximate value who gave? Aryabhatta gave. See children, by using an identity of the identity, this our Indian mathematician genius, that is your Srinivas Ramanujan. Clear, that is Srinivas S. Ramanujan. Clear, by S. Ramanujan, S. Ramanujan gave an identity. Here also it is written in your textbook. By using the identity, your the great Indian mathematician, this S. Ramanujan gave an identity. And see this to find out what the value of pi up to millions decimal places. So the value of pi, the S. Ramanujan gave an identity to find out the value of pi up correct to, that is correct to million places of decimals. Million places of decimals. Okay children. see these data are clear. We have to we have to remember. Third point is, see, though pi is an irrational number. What is this? Pi is an irrational. Pi is an irrational number. Clear? But see, it is, why it is an irrational number? Because as its decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring. Okay children, so but for practical purposes, clear, we use pi as 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay children, see, this is I tell you, sometimes people ask, though pi is an irrational number, then and 22 by 7 is a rational number, then why do we use 22 by 7? So actually this is pi is not equal to 22 by 7. It is approximately equal to, the value of pi is closer to 22 by 7, 22 upon 7. That's why for calculation and practical purposes, clear, we use this 22 by 7 or 3.14, clear, as not the value of pi, as to find out the solution, clear, approximately. Okay children, now let us see this the thing that I am going to take up now, that you have been studying right from class this class 7th. See, if let us see how to find out. See, draw a circle first. See, draw a circle. How to find out? See, this concept, actually this is the revision of all these things that we have studied till now about circle. Clear? That is, let us see, this is a circle. Clear? Now you divide it into different sectors. Clear? This is what is sector. Sector is the region that is enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. It's clear? This is a sector. Okay children, what is sector? Sector of the circle is the region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. This is a sector. This is sector. This is sector. Clear? This is again a sector. This is a sector. Clear children? this is sector, this is sector. See how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let us give the name 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 10 sectors are there. Now let us cut it out clear from here, clear, and paste the circle sectors clear in such a way that is in the form of rectangle, that is given in your textbook actually. See children, this is, now let us see, uh, if we take out if you take out your all this is sector 1 clear, we have taken out clear, then means in different in this side. Now next will be this side clear, in this manner you keep them clear, then this one clear, then again this one, right, then here, then this one again from here, and join it from here, right, again by this one, join it clear, again this way, and means arrange the all these sectors 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 clear, and this is now 9, then this is now 10, clear children. So we see that what actually this is getting, uh, so children, this is the way clear, we see that, see what this, it becomes nearly a rectangle. Okay children, see if we estimate it clear, it becomes nearly a rectangle. Here this is the, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and let us write down 10 also clear, that is 10. 10 sectors here, 10 sectors here. Okay, now see, this is the total circumference. So half of the sectors, are placed this side broader way, this is broader side kept here, here broader side kept here, means half of the part, half of the broader sides kept this side clear, and half of the broader side this are kept this side. So this is total circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. What is this circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. This is to half 1 upon 2, half 1 upon 2, half of 2 pi r. What is this? Half of 2 pi r equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 pi r. So this is half of 2 pi r, and this is half of 2 pi r. That is, this is also, this is 2 pi r upon 2. So this is half part, this is half part. What is this? This is the radius of the circle, and this is its height is this r. Okay children, so this is what, this is length. Length is this one, half of 2 pi r, or that is 2 pi r upon 2, and breadth is radius. So what is this? Area of the circle equal to area of the circle equal to area of the area. This is area of the, this is nearly actually approximately what is this? This is nearly a rectangle, that is nearly a rectangle. Okay children, so see, if we take it as rectangle, then area of the circle equal to area of the rectangle. Okay children, what is area of rectangle? That is length into breadth. Now what is length over here? That is, length is 1 upon 2 into 2 pi r, that is length, into breadth is what? Radius. Clear? 2 and 2 got cancelled here. So what is remained here? Area of the circle. Area of the circle equal to, this is pi r square. This is pi r square. So this is how we find the area of the formula for the area of the circle using the rectangle. Okay, clear children? Now some formula are there, that is area of the ring. What is this? Area of a ring. What is ring actually? Ring means what? Two this is two concentric circles like this. Area of the ring means, see, some breadth is there. See, this is a small circle, right? If one more circle is there, clear, where this is, now this is here, different radii are there. One radius is this one, another radius is this one. Clear children? See, if this is let it be r1, smaller one is r1, and bigger one is r2. Okay, children. So what is area of the ring? R1 be inner and outer. R1 equal to inner radius. Inner radius. Then R2 equal to outer radius. Outer radius. Then area of the ring equal to area of the ring. Area of the ring. See, what is area of the ring? Actually, this is actually what is area of the ring equal to, that is pi. What is this? Pi r2 square means bigger circle. See, bigger circle area of bigger circle minus area of a smaller circle. Okay, children, that is called the area of the ring. Clear? So that is pi